How to fix iPhone ear speaker not working. Let's get started. First up, let's check your hearing aid compatibility. For that, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Accessibility. Scroll down to Hearing Devices option. Here you'll see the option Hearing Aid Compatibility. Toggle on for this option. This simple fix might just do the trick. Next, turn off your Bluetooth. Sometimes your phone might be trying to connect to a device and that could cause the ear speaker to stop working. So, disable for the option Bluetooth. Likewise, here's another helpful trick. Change your call audio routing. For that, go to Settings, then Accessibility, tap Touch, and select Call Audio Routing. Switch it to speaker mode. This ensures your phone is properly routing sound. Now make sure your iPhone speaker is clean. Dirt or dust might be blocking the sound. Use a soft cloth or a gentle brush to clear out any debris. This small step can often make a big difference. Lastly, if nothing else works, try restarting your phone or even resetting your settings. For that, you can go to Settings, General, select Reset All Settings and go through the process. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these fixes did the trick and got your speaker working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.